Model, 67-plate Citroen Dispatch BlueHDi 120S and S6 SPDM 1400 Ent Plus body, silver, panel van mileage, 147,164 MOT, the 14th of December 2024 engine, 1997 CCDW10 FEA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts but runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows, air con, cruise control EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £6,895 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.